Hello, this is Dave from Elliott Data Systems. In this video, we're going to look at reconciling the inventory session we created in our previous video, Take Inventory. From the main menu, select Asset Tracking. Again, we have tabs at the top. We're going to concentrate on the Reconcile Inventory tab. Just like we have in Take Inventory, we also have the Verify ID field at the top. And again, that is to actually identify the person that is actually doing the reconcile. This can be changed by putting a different code in here. The image also shows up as if it's set up in personnel to have an image. You will see that here. Second section or field. The second field is the inventory session. We're going to call up, if we use our drop down, we can call up our test inventory, which we created in our Take Inventory session. You'll notice over on the right here, it lists how many locations were actually in the inventory that have discrepancies. So we're going to select our trailer because that's the location we inventoried. As we do that, it populates the lower grid. You'll notice on the grid that we have our asset name, our description, asset tag, our LOHB, which is location on hand balance, the number we counted, and what the discrepancy is. Okay, now let's take a moment and go ahead and double click our duct tape. We're going to select it and then double click it, and we'll bring up our reconcile window. It shows up here that we have a discrepancy of 2 units. We're going to select our adjustment field, enter 2, and we're going to use the reason field to type in why we found them, what was the discrepancy. So we found in trailer. And click Found Save. This will adjust our discrepancy. As you can see here, our discrepancy now is a 0. We continue this throughout any items that we actually have discrepancies for. We actually have a shortage. We didn't find these. We used them. We're going to click Not Found, and that adjusts our discrepancy. Now you notice our defibrillator and our generator. We already adjusted that discrepancy by agreeing to move that from the other location. So now we actually have our session reconciled. It tells us up here we have no discrepancies. The archiving is available for this session. So we can actually click Archive and complete our reconcile inventory.